The co-founder of US private equity giant Apollo has paid the US Virgin Islands government 62.5 $48.6 million to be released from legal claims relating to Jeffrey Epstein's sex trafficking. Leon Black, who has been accused of misconduct in relation to the pedophile financer's activities, has struck a multimillion-dollar deal to avoid a potential lawsuit, according to the New York Times. The settlement was reached in January, according to a copy of the settlement agreement from the Virgin Islands government through a public records request obtained by the Times. Mr. Black, who is worth an estimated $10 billion, stepped down as chief executive of Apollo in 2021 after lawyers hired by the private equity firm concluded that he had paid $158 million to Epstein for tax advice, help with buying artwork, and other professional services. A keen art collector who famously bought a version of Edward Munch's The Scream for $120 million, Mr. Black also stepped down as chairman of the Museum of Modern Art in New York.